Wickens Ranch is located about 50 miles north of Lewistown, just outside of the little town of Winifred, right on the edge of the Missouri River breaks. My name is Matt Wickens, owner of Dog Creek Outfitters. My great-grandfather homesteaded about 20 miles south of here around 1914. And our family's been here ever since. I moved onto this place just about 6 years ago. Dog Creek Outfitters, like I say, we're a small family-run operation. We don't take a lot of hunters. We focus on quality. I guess we kind of like to have we'd like every person that comes through to be a hunt of a lifetime for them. We can't always kill the biggest buck or biggest bull, but we can always guarantee them a high quality hunt every time. We live in great country, and provide them top-notch facilities and the best guides I can find, and people who've been hunting for a lot of years with a lot of experience. And we'll feed you till you're crying to go home. So we take a lot of pride in our history of being here and doing things the Western way. We work cattle horseback, and we take a lot of pride in our heritage. And I like to see hunters that appreciate that. It's more than just hunting and killing the biggest animals, and it isn't all about a score. It's all about an experience for us. And people get to meet our family. My grandparents, my great-grandparents, everybody's still around, and they can kind of see a lot more than just hunting. The first 5 years we went out of the basement, and I was a bachelor, and then I got married, and the wife said no more. So we went ahead and built a pretty nice lodge here. We got 3 private bedrooms downstairs and a full loft upstairs. And it's kind of more of a bunk situation upstairs. There's 5 or 6 beds and a pool table up there, and it's all new, and we feel pretty first rate.